There's got to be an easier way to hold these tubes. So I'm going to show you a simple little fixture that we can build so that all the cuts are the same, or at least fairly close, and it'll be adjustable for however many ports you want on your collector. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to utilize the slot and the table, very basic components that we're going to put this together with. And they make them for horizontal bandsaws, and they're really nice. It's a little play, but it's got to be able to move. So I think that works really good. I think what we're going to do is put a bar on here. So the one thing nice about those drills, that's just a drilled hole. But granted, it's not a reamed hole, but those laser best drills, 312 to 314, that's pretty good. So if you're looking for a good set of drills for home, granted Rockmount sponsors us, but I wouldn't be showing them to you if I thought they were bad drills. All right, so we got the base drilled, we got the pins in it, we got the pieces that will actually guide the, I'm calling it the shoe or the whatever it's gonna hold the tube, whatever you want to call that. Got to get these slotted, gear up, and let's get that thing cut. Alright, so the nice thing about all this is, anytime you're fabbing, you kind of get to make up the numbers. And since we're not running CNC equipment, we do a rough layout, get everything located. So let's get these mounted. Alright, so we've got to move those screws out just a little bit. Alright, so we're going to make the little pieces that go on here. Alright, so we're going to get these located. Alright, so we'll clean this up and then get that tacked on. Okay, so there's some alignment issues with the second tab I put on. It's the reason why I just tacked it. So we're going to break this one side free. The nice thing about it being tacked is I should just be able to break this thing free. Alright, so let's weld these in place. And if you like this type of content, please remember to subscribe to the channel, and it'd be great if you could share it also. Alright, so those cut really nice. So the first time I tried, I just used the guide and an angle, and trust me, that was garbage. So when we made the new fixture, I just clamp it on the side just like you've seen. I can adjust any angle. I eventually got to trim this off, but no, that's for another day. So just making a basic fixture for a collector, and eventually you'll see more of this stuff on the channel as well. Hope you like this stuff, and I'll see you in some of the other welding videos.